Okay students, today we are going to do the experiment to determine the total dissolved solid and turbidity of the sample of water. Now you already know the water contains dissolved salts of sodium, calcium, magnesium and other metals like iron, manganese, lead, arsenic, etc. The quality of water depends on the soluble salts present. Ocean water, as we know, is a saline and contains 3.5% of dissolved salt. When there is a turbidity in water, we say the transmission of light is inhibited. In other words, we say that the water is not transparent. The instrument which is used for measuring turbidity is called nephelometer. In this, light from the source bulb is made to enter the solution whose turbidity is to be measured. A filter similar is color of the sample is used. The fine particles in turbid water scatter the lights. The scattered light is measured at a right angle to the beam of incident light, which is proportional to the turbidity using a reflector. The scattered light is collected and directed to the photocell, and the generated current is measured by a galvanometer. So today first we'll do the TDS, total dissolved solid. This is the TDS meter. You have to switch on. It will show you the reading 00. You can get a temperature also. The room temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, and you can hold this for longer time, that reading. So I have to find out the TDS of the total dissolved solid. Now I'll take 3 samples of water. One is the distilled water, another is a tap water, and the third category is the RO water. So one by one I'll start. First you have to filter the water because we want to find the total dissolved solids. So undissolved salts should be removed. So that's why the filter, you have to first filter the water. I'll pour the water from the top and collect the filtrate at the bottom. Okay. Once you collect the filtrate, you can dip this TDS meter So I will dip this TDS meter. Now up to this mark, you have to dip the TDS meter. The water level should be up to this mark. So I have collected the filtrate. Now I will dip this in this distilled water. Okay. So see to that the filtrate should not be more. The water should not be more. The TDS meter should be dipped up to that mark only. You will get the value here. I will hold the value for time being and show you the reading here. I am getting here 12 ppm of total dissolved solid. Now this salt, I don't know whether it is of calcium, magnesium or sodium chloride or any other salts. So right now I am getting the value 12. Okay. Now I will go for RO water.